Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, to the Battlegrounds Mobile 90 FPS test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device, but by using the high performance mode and using the pro gaming mode option which is present in this OnePlus Nord 2. And this is my first time doing this kind of demonstration in this device. So let me first show you whether the high performance mode is turned on or not. As you can see, right now the high performance mode is turned on clearly. As you can see friends, high performance mode is turned on, and during this time I'm trying to use a 90 fps config file. So let's test how is the fps drop test will be there if you try to use the config file and if you try to use the pro gaming mode option as well. Right now, as you can see friends, the pro gaming mode is turned on at this point, and I'm trying to use a 90 fps only with the high performance mode and with the pro gaming mode. First let me try to quickly start the drop test by using the Cyanogen Bootcamp. And let's see how much will be the FPS drop will be there during this processor demonstration. So this is going to be really interesting test friends, and this is my first time demonstrating this kind of test in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So first let me try to disconnect the hotspot, so which I think the mobile hotspot is turned on at this point. Let me try to disconnect the mobile hotspot. So yes, mobile hotspot is turned on, off. Right now let me turn on the pro gaming mode option. So yeah, is the pro gaming mode is on. Now let's see what will be the FPS drop during this processor demonstration in this device. So before I did do a couple of videos without using any high performance mode and without using any kind of pro gaming mode, but a lot of users, they did request me, can you please make a video on using the 90 FPS and using the high performance and the pro gaming mode. Let's see what will happen. As you can see friends, right now this is my first drop test using the high performance mode and pro gaming mode. I'll just try to show you the what is the FPS drop during the testing, which is a boot camp only. So that is the reason I'm trying to show you exactly when I'm trying to drop only. So instead of keeping very long and lengthy video, thought of making the video very short. So now let me try to the drop test and let's see what happens now. So I'll just try to do a couple of times only. So this is the first time testing the drop test in the OnePlus Nord 2 using the high performance mode and using the pro gaming mode option. So right now we can see the FPS drop up to I think close to 81. So 81 is the lowest one we did see during this processor demonstration. As you can see, 81 exactly, to be precise, as you can see 81 only. 87 right now, not bad. As you can see friends, 81, that's it. So this is the first time I'm trying to do. I'll try to do again next time as well in terms of the drop test. Let me try to go back. Right now this is my second time doing the drop test in the bootcamp exactly using the high performance mode and pro gaming mode. So till now we did see close to 81 FPS drop, that's it, in this OnePlus Nord 2. So let's see the second time how much the FPS will be drop exactly. So let's see, and 1 2 3. Right now it's off 87 and 88. And in case if you want me to do any kind of battery draining test in this OnePlus Nord 2, let me know in the comment section below friends. Definitely I'll be able to do those kind of battery draining test as soon as possible. So using the 90 FPS and using the high performance mode and pro gaming mode. 84, it dropped up to 84 during this processor demonstration. So just now. So 84 we did see the lowest so far in this OnePlus Nord 2 in the second time of testing. Not bad. So 86, 89, 88, as you can see it was remaining exactly around same time, not bad. 89, as you can see, 89. And during the process of this, just only 4 minutes I think of gaming, 4 to 5 minutes of gaming, temperature increased to 41.4 degrees. So that's it friends, it's a quick review on the OnePlus Nord 2 device using the 90 FPS and using the high performance mode and with pro gaming mode. The temperatures will definitely increase a lot, but this time I did concentrate only on the FPS drop test only, but later on I'll try to focus even on the temperatures. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So this is a request which has been asked by few of my subscribers, so that is the reason I thought of making a video on this particular topic. So again I'll be back with the next video friends on this interesting topic. Stay tuned for those videos. I'm really interested to test the temperatures, mainly how much higher the temperatures can actually reach in this phone using this kind of method. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.